flop the ears and little feet. You splash in the stream, trumpeting loud, playing in the jungle so big and proud. Stomp, 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 your feet go thud. Splish, splash, splash in the cooling mud. Wave your trunk high under the sun so bright. Baby elephant, you're a joyful sight. March in the line, holding tail so tight. Follow mama through day and night. Nibbling leaves from the tallest tree. You're the happiest elephant we ever did see. Stomp, 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 your feet go thud. Splish, splash, splash in the cooling mud. Wave your trunk high under the sun so bright. Baby elephant, you're a joyful sight. March in a line, holding tail so tight. Follow mama through day and night. Nibbling leaves from the tallest tree. You're the happiest elephant we ever did see. Stomp, 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 your feet go thud. Splish, splash, splash in the cooling mud. Wave your trunk high under the sun so bright. Baby elephant, you're a joyful sight. Oh, the birds sing along as you pass by. Monkeys chatter and the eagles fly. The jungle is alive with your melody. Baby elephant, you're wild and free. When the stars shine and the moonlight glows, baby elephant yawns, it's time to doze. Under the trees with the crickets tune, dream of adventures beneath the silver moon. Good night, little one so dear. The jungle will sing while you sleep without fear.